Welcome to Learn via Quiz. In this video, we are going to learn about text structure. Writers can organize their ideas in different ways. These ways of organizing writing are called text structures. When you can identify how a text is organized, it's easier to understand how the writer's ideas go together. You can also use these text structures to organize your own writing. What are the 5 types of text structure? Type 1. Sequential structure. A sequential structure tells you about events that happen in a certain order. Information is organized in steps or a process is explained in the order in which it occurs. Some of the keywords are first, second, after, until, next, then, before, during, finally. Well, life cycle of butterfly is an example of sequential text structure. Type 2, cause-effect structure. A cause-effect structure shows the causes and the effects, or results, of an event. Air pollution can harm us when it accumulates in the air in high enough concentrations. People exposed to high enough levels of certain air pollutants may experience irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat, wheezing, coughing, chest tightens. Some of the key words are because, led to, since, as a result, due to, so, reason. Cause and effect explain reasons why something happened or the effects of something. What is the cause? What was its effect? Type 3, problem-solution structure. A problem-solution structure explains a problem and offers possible solutions. What is the problem? How can it be solved? When astronauts wear their spacesuits and helmets, they can't touch their faces, so the little itch can be a big difficulty. They can't reach an itchy nose to scratch it. Luckily, Apollo mission figured out how to take care of those pesky itches. They placed a piece of sticky, scratchy fabric inside the helmet. In the event of an itch, rubbing against the rough fabric patch could bring relief. Some of the key words are issue, suggest, question, solve, puzzled, fix, answer. Type 4. Compare-contrast structure. A compare-contrast structure shows how two, or more, things are the same or different. In the United States, July is a hot summer month. In Chile, it's the opposite. July is the middle of winter in South America, and the weather can get cold. In July in the US, people go to the beach and cook outside. They celebrate the 4th of July with outdoor fireworks shows. But in Chile, July is a good time to head for the mountains and play in the snow. Some of the key words are like, unlike, to, on the other, both, while, same, instead, common, different, as well as, however. Type 5. Descriptive structure. A descriptive structure tells you a list of details about an object, scene, or topic. What are all the parts of the idea? A firefighter is an important figure within the public health and safety industry. They combat and extinguish fires, often working in high-pressure circumstances. Providing fire prevention awareness to schools and local organizations is another layer of fighting fires that firefighters typically handle. They are trained first responders and handling minor medical care and emergency services. Some of the key words are, for example, near, for instance, beside, such as, most important, also. You can also use these text structures to organize your own writing. Happy writing! Subscribe my YouTube channel for interesting videos.